Hi guys, Keith with Arkenberg Farms here. Mid-November, beautiful 65, 70 degrees out right now. And I decided I was going to fix the end walls of my cat tunnel. I had them just kind of draped down before and they're doing a lot of buffering, but I think I found a good solution. So let me show you how I did it. What I did is made some stakes. I had 2x4, so it's 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches. Put a piece of track up here, 8-inch long piece of track on, it's about 19, 20-inch stake, just the size I had lying around to cut up. I screwed it in 2 points. What I'm going to do, like I did down here on the far end over there, I'm going to drive one in there in the walkway and one in there. And when I do that, come down here to the other side, drive them in just like that, and put a piece of wiggle wire on the outside to lash it down. And then when I do that, it tightens up the whole entire end wall. I don't know if you can see the crinkles. There we go. You can see the crinkles going down towards it. And that keeps it down. We had the 7-degree night the other night, and this wall was floating because I just had it stretched across both ends, and then sandbags, which are out there now. So they kept popping off, and it was letting a little air in. And down here on the very end, you can see a little bit of damage. It's either frost damage or it just got beat up by the plastic. Same thing with that one. And over here you can really see it, where it got fried. And then it just got beat away to where there's like nothing left. Like that. There we go. Now to set my stakes, using them all because I can't find my sledgehammer, but it's heavy and it's got a flat end to drive it. Sticking them right in the center row because this tunnel is only 12 foot. Get right inside the inside of my line and drive her home. Careful to hit the center so I don't split the stake. I'll drive it down to where the track right here is just flush with the surface and I don't have to worry about tearing. And up here on the top here, I wrapped a piece of blue jean around it before I put the screw in. When I did that, so when the plastic comes across, I don't have to worry about it rubbing and tearing the plastic. Now you can see the stakes down at the bottom. Just loaded them with wiggle wire. Hold it down. Don't have to worry about tearing the plastic because of blue jeans. Now we got a seal. I tucked it up underneath some landscape fabric, so our extra plastic comes clear out here. Just thought it was a super simple way to hold down the bottom of your end wall, instead of building it out and running a piece of 2x4 or something across the bottom. And then later I could even put a zipper on it and get in. But as much as we're going in and out of these tunnels, just lifting the side's been just fine for me. Really wish I would have made this tunnel just a little bit taller. But hope y'all like what you saw here today. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank y'all. Have a good day. I'm gonna go finish up that other end.